Hello students, let us continue exercise 7.2 ASA congruence criterion. Now try the what is the side included between the angle M and N. Now first we draw triangle MNP. And included side between angle M and angle N is MN. So we write MN is the side included between the angle M and N of triangle MNP. This is your answer. Now second question. You want to establish triangle DEF and triangle MNP using angle side angle congruence rule. You are given that angle D equal to angle M and angle F is equal to angle P. What information is needed to establish the congruence? We need common side between angle D and angle F. Similarly, common side MP between the angle M and angle P. So we need additional information DF equal to MP. Again repeat, you want to establish triangle DEF and congruent triangle MNP using angle side angle congruence rule. You are given that angle D is equal to angle M and angle F is equal to angle P. What information is needed to establish the congruence of both triangle? We need included side DF between angle D and angle F is equal to included side MP between angle M and angle P. Now, by angle side angle congruence rule, we need additional information DF equal to MP. DF equal to MP. This is your required solution. Now third question. Measure some part are indicated by applying angle side angle congruence rule. State which pair of triangles are congruent. In case of congruence, write the result in symbolic form. Triangle ABC, angle A 40 degree, angle B 60 degree, side AB 3.5 centimeter, and triangle DEF, angle E 60 degree, angle F 40 degree, side EF equal to 3.5 centimeter. Now we write in triangle ABC and triangle DEF. Angle A 40 degree, angle F 40 degree. So angle A equal to angle F equal to 40 degree given. Side AB 3.5 centimeter, side EF 3.5 centimeter, AB equal to EF equal to 3.5 centimeter given. Now angle B 60 degree, angle E 60 degree, angle B equal to angle E equal to 60 degree given. Now triangle ABC congruent triangle A corresponds to F, B corresponds to E and C corresponds to D. So we write triangle FED, triangle FED by applying angle side angle congruence rule. Again repeat, A corresponds to F, B corresponds to E and C corresponds to D. So triangle ABC congruent triangle FED. So triangle ABC congruent triangle FED by angle side angle congruence rule. Again repeat. Angle A 40 degree, angle F 40 degrees. So angle A equal to angle F equal to 40 degree given. Side AB 3.5 centimeter, side EF also 3.5 centimeter. So AB equal to FE equal to 3.5 centimeter given. Angle B 60 degree, angle E 60 degree. Angle B equal to angle E equal to 60 degree. Both are given to 60 degrees. So they are equal given. Triangle ABC congruent triangle FED, because A corresponds to F, B corresponds to E and C corresponds to D. So triangle ABC congruent triangle FED. This is your required solution. Now second part. Triangle PQR and triangle DEF, angle Q 90 degree, angle R 50 degree, side PR is 3.3 centimeter, angle D 90 degree, angle E 50 degree, side EF equal to 3.5 centimeter. Now first we write angle R equal to angle E equal to 50 degree. Angle R 50, angle E 50 given. Now PR is not equal to EF given. Given PR is 3.3 centimeter and EF is 3.5 centimeter, so they are not equal. This is also given. Now angle Q 90 degree, angle F 50 degree. Sum of angle Q and angle R is 140 degree. 180 degree minus 140 degree is 40 degree. That is third angle P. Angle P equal to 40 degree. Similarly, angle F equal to 40 degree. Proved. Now angle side angle does not apply because included side between angle R and angle P is not equal to included side between angle E and angle F. So given triangles are not congruent. Again repeat. Given triangles are not congruent because included side between angles are not equal. So they are not congruent triangle. Hence figure second, both triangles are not congruent. Now try these in your fair notebook. Thank you.